Hello students, so we are continuing with the paper solution. So question number 23, using the properties of determinants you have to prove this. Okay, so I'll write, we have to prove that determinant of equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, so to prove this we have to use properties of determinant, okay, and row column transformations. Okay, so let's start with LHS. Okay, so I'm going to add R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, so adding R1 plus R2 plus R3 you will get, so we are adding row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. So this will be A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. Remaining two rows will remain the same. Then second row, first row, second column, B minus C minus A, C, 2A plus 2B plus C minus A minus B. Okay, so you will get here A minus B plus 2B is B and this is C. Here also A plus B plus C. Okay, this we have done, yeah, plus 2C it is, so 2C minus C is C. Then here A plus B plus C. Okay, so this we have done as we'll get A plus B plus C common. Okay, so you can take out A plus B plus C from row 1. Okay, so we can write this as A plus B plus C, 1 1 1. Okay, now I'm going to change C2 and C3. Okay, so C2 I can write it as C2 minus C1, so that we'll get a 0 here. Okay, also we'll get a 0 here, so it will be easy to compute the determinant. C3 minus C1. Okay, keeping A plus B plus C as it is, we'll get first column remains same, second column minus first column, this is 0. B minus C minus A minus 2B will be minus B minus C minus A, right? Then 2C minus 2C is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2A minus 2B. This is and this is C minus A minus B minus 2C. So it will be A plus minus a minus b and minus c. Okay, this term we have to check. This is this is 2b, yeah, right. So 2b minus 2b, it is 0. Okay, now taking a plus b plus c from c2 and a plus b plus c from c3. Okay, here minus 1 will remain, that is minus 1 into this is a plus b plus c. Okay, so I'll write here c the whole cube, 1 2b 2c, 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Okay, then you have to take the determinant of this will be 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, so determinant of this term will get only 1. So a plus b plus c the whole cube into 1. So this is our RHS, right hand side. Okay, next question number 24. You have to find the general solution of the differential equation. Okay, so question 24, differential equation is given to be x square dy by dx equal to x square plus xy minus 2y square. Okay, now if you separate the terms, okay, let's see if you can separate the terms. If I take this x square this side, why I can't take common? So this is not separating the variables. Okay, so you can't separate the variables, then you have to substitute y is equal to vx. Okay, so dy by dx is, writing dy by dx, take x square upon, so dividing by x square you will get here 1, here xy upon x square minus 2y square upon x square, right? So substituting y is equal to vx, so dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so this is first. So substituting in 1, you will get v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 plus, this is your v is equal to y upon x. Okay, so you can substitute here v, and this will be v square, 2v square. Okay, so v, if you take here, it will be minus v, so this plus v and plus v gets cancelled. Then you can take the v terms together, so this will be 1 upon 1 minus 2v square dv equal to 1 upon x dx. Okay, taking the integral both the sides, so 1 minus 2v square, you can write it as 1 upon 1 minus root 2v square dv equal to integral 1 upon x dx. So this is your a square minus x square, right? So 1 upon 1 minus a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x. So 1 upon 2 into a is our root 2, a is our 1, but root 2v, that differentiable derivative of root 2v is root 2, right? So that we have to write here. log 1 plus root 2v 1 minus root 2v equal to log of x plus c. Okay, so in place of v you have to substitute, in place of v you have to substitute y by x. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 25. 1/3 of the students in a class are boys and the rest are girls. It is known that the probability of a girl getting first class is 0.32 and that a boy getting first class is 0.22. If a student chosen at random gets first class in the subject, what is the probability that the chosen student is a boy? Now this question is based upon Bayes theorem. Okay, so there are two events, that is one is boy and one is girl, that is choosing a boy and choosing a girl. So we'll write event E1, question number 25. Okay, so event E1 is choosing a boy and event E2 choosing a girl. Now there is one condition, that is getting first class. Getting first class is our event A, condition A. Okay, so this is 1/3 of the students in a class are boys. So 1/3, that is probability of E1, that is boys, is 1/3. So probability of E2, that is girls, will be 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. Okay, now in second sentence it is given that probability of a girl getting a first class is 0.32. So girl getting a first class, so it will be P of probability of condition that girl is getting a first class. So this is E2, 0.32, and a boy getting a first class is E1, AE1, right? So this is 0.22. Now what we have to find, what is the probability that the chosen student is a boy? Okay, so probability that he is a boy means 1, and he gets a first class. Okay, a student is getting a first class, but he should be a boy. Okay, so probability of this is P of E1 into P of A E1 by Bayes theorem. Okay, substituting the values, E1 it is 0.22, P of E1 is 1 by 3, and 0.22 into 1 by 3 plus 0.32 into 2 by 3. Okay, so if I take 1 by 3 common from all this, then in the numerator and denominator it will get cancelled. Okay, so we will get 0.22 upon 0.22 into 1 plus 0.32 into 2. Okay, now this is 0.22 means 22 by 100. Here also 22 by 100. Here it is 32 by 100. So if I take 1 upon 100 common, then also it will get cancelled. So you will get 22 upon 22 plus 32 into 2. Okay, so this is plus 64. Insert to outside 11 by 43. This is the probability of student getting first class, and he is a boy. Okay, you can write this down in point also, decimal. So this is 43, so it will be 0.2 something. Okay, next question. If there is a equation given, we have to find dy by dx, that is we have to differentiate with respect to x. Question number 26. Y is equal to root of x raised to sine 2x plus log 3x raised to root of x plus 1. Okay, so here the raised to functions are there, so we can take this function as u, this function as v. Okay, so solving u is raised to sine 2x, so I'll take log using properties of log. Okay, so log a raised to b is b log a, so this is sine 2x log root x. Okay, taking derivative, you will get 1 upon u du by dx equal to, this is uv, so this is u, this is v, so u dash v plus v dash u. Okay, so derivative of sine 2x is cos 2x into 2 log root x plus log root x is 1 upon root of x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x sine 2x. Okay, so du by dx is u, you have to take here, u we can substitute root of x raised to sine 2x. Okay, so this will be 2 cos 2x into log root x plus 1 upon 2x sine 2x. Okay, so this is our first. Then second, that is v, derivative of v we have to find. So same way I'll write log v is, I'll write directly, so v is our this, so when you take log of log 3x raised to root x plus 1, so root x plus 1 log 3x. Okay, okay, so taking the derivative, 1 upon v dv by dx equal to log 3x is 1 upon 3x into 3 x plus 1 plus log 3x into derivative of this, that is 2 root x plus 1, and then derivative of x plus 1 which is 1. Okay, so v we can take here, so v is our log 3x raised to x plus 1 upon x plus log 3x upon 2 root x plus 1. Okay, so y is equal to u plus v. You can write it as dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So substituting 1 and 2 in this, you will get du by dx is to sine 2x 2 cos 2x log root x plus sine 2x upon 2x, okay, plus dv by dx log 3x raised to root x plus 1 upon x plus log 3x upon 2 root x plus 1. Okay, so this is the answer.